Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Ben Lomond black currant. Ben Lomond is a little bit larger than some of the other black currants, like Consort black. And this is ripe. So let's take a taste. And when they're ripe, they're going to be less tart. Black currants are still pretty tart for my taste because I didn't grow up with them. But what we do is we take them and make jams out of them, or crumbles, and you can make pies out of them. And if you have a variety of ribes in your garden, like gooseberries or different colored currants, you can mix them all together and make a flavorful dessert. Currants come in all colors. You can see white ones or pink ones and red. And there's also flowering currants. We have a flowering currant called Crandall Black, and it's got a great fruit on it, in addition to having these beautiful yellow flowers in the early spring. One nice thing about currants is they're pretty early to come in. So before blueberries, before blackberries, before around the time of raspberries, I guess it's pretty early, we get currants. This is Ben Lomond black currant. It's a little bit larger size than some of the other black currants we have here, but it's still very good taste, and would go great in a jam or a pie.